Hey everyone, today we're talking about Fortnite and one of the biggest questions people still ask. Can you merge accounts in 2025? And if so, how does it actually work? So here's the truth. Back in 2019, Epic Games ran an official account merge program that let you combine cosmetics and progress from two accounts into one. But that program ended, and as of 2025, you can't fully merge accounts anymore. I know, kinda disappointing. But there are still a couple of things you can do that work almost like merging. The first option is linking your accounts through your Epic Games account. If you've got Fortnite on Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or PC, you can log into Epic's website, go to Connections, and link all your different platform accounts under one Epic account. Once that's done, all your skins, V-Bucks, and progression stay tied to that single Epic account no matter what platform you log in on. It's not merging two old accounts together, but it does mean you only need one moving forward. Now, here's the part most people miss. If you've got V-Bucks stuck on one platform, they don't always transfer cross-platform. For example, V-Bucks bought on PlayStation might only be usable there. Cosmetics, though, like skins and emotes, those are shared everywhere once your accounts are linked. So, if you're hoping to merge an old account into your new one, the best move is to make sure both are connected to Epic, play on the one you want to keep, and from then on, everything you unlock will be available across all your devices. And who knows? Epic could bring back full on account merging someday, especially since players keep asking for it. But for now, linking through Epic is your best bet in 2025. That's it. If this cleared things up for you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. So, do you think Epic should bring back true account merging, or are you fine with the linking system?